अमेरिका में भी भारत के गासिबाना इकदामात और गैर कानूनी इकदामात के खिलाफ आवाजें बुलंद होना शुरू हो गई हैं। अमेरिका के मकबूल तरीन मजहबी रहनुमा इमाम उमर सलमान ने मोदी को फाशिस्ट करार देते हुए ह्यूस्टन में मोदी के खिलाफ होने वाले मुजाहरे की हिमायत का ऐलान किया।
इस मुजाहरे में पाकिस्तानी, कश्मीरी, सिख और मकामी शहरी हिस्सा लेंगे। इमाम उमर सलमान ने मजीद क्या कहा, आइए देखिए।
This past Friday, in commemoration of Ashura, I had the ability or the opportunity to talk about what it means to speak a word of truth in the face of a tyrant. And one of those tyrants today is none other than Modi from India, who is coming to the United States, a country where he was once banned because of his activities in terrorizing entire innocent populations in the name of a fascist ideology, but now coming to a hero's welcome with the global rise of fascism. He's going to be coming to Houston on September 22nd, and there are 50,000 people that have signed up to welcome him. And so what we are looking to do is to actually rise up in large numbers to reject that. Obviously, this is a global trend, and in India right now, what we see happening to the Muslim populations and other religious minorities there, as well as specifically what's happening to our brothers and sisters in Kashmir, we need to show up and speak that word of truth.